Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Echinacea plant. Echinacea, also known as purple coneflower, is a popular herb recognized for its potential to support your immune system. People have used it for centuries to help with common ailments like colds and flu. You can find Echinacea in several forms, including teas, liquid extracts, and convenient capsules, making it easy to incorporate into your wellness routine. Echinacea comes in various forms, each with its own typical usage. For capsules, a common recommendation is 300 to 500 milligrams, taken 3 times a day. If you prefer liquid tinctures, you might take 30 to 60 drops, which is about 1 to 2 milliliters, 3 times daily. For a warm cup of Echinacea tea, you can enjoy 1 cup up to 4 times a day. Always check your product's specific label for precise instructions. Preparing Echinacea at home is quite simple. For a soothing tea, add about 1 teaspoon of dried Echinacea root or leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. If you're using a tincture, you can mix 30 to 60 drops into a small amount of water or juice to dilute its strong flavor. Capsules are straightforward. Just swallow them with water, ideally alongside a meal. To get the most from Echinacea, begin taking it at the very first signs of a cold or flu. It's generally recommended for short-term use, typically for 2 to 8 weeks, to prevent your body from becoming too accustomed to it. While generally safe, people with autoimmune conditions or allergies to plants like ragweed should exercise caution. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are taking other medications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.